Hello friends, welcome to Saubarnika Store channel. Today's video is all about a very common colorful fruit that enjoys the status of vegetable. Well, it is all about bell pepper fruit and the plant that produces this wonderful fruit. Bell pepper, better known as capsicum, pimiento, wonder pepper, sweet pepper and paprika, belongs to nightshade family Solanaceae and is the native of America. It is a member of large and diverse genus that consists of about 1500 species, including various ornamental, fruiting and edible culinary crop plants like tomato, potato and brinjal or eggplants. As this video explores minutely into all details associated with the use and the growing methods of bell pepper fruit plants, please see the video fully to have complete information. If you like to see videos on other plants, please click the link given in the description box. Before going to details, let me brief about the history of these fruiting plants. The wild ancestors of capsicum varieties are from Central America, where these were grown in abundance for centuries. Its entry to Spain sometime in the 16th century opened up the secret of sweet flavor in dishes and bright colors in salads to the outer world. Soon, capsicum became very famous and favorite to millions, and today different varieties of capsicums are cultivated in South America, where they are known as ajis. As we all know, capsicum fruit has great commercial value. They are grown worldwide for their chili pepper or bell pepper fruits. This fruit plant belonging to Grossum group of species comes in different bright colors. They are better identified with its colors such as green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, etc. Capsicum plants cultivated all over the world itself shows its significance in demand. Today's top bell pepper producing countries are Mexico, Indonesia, China and Turkey. In India, bell pepper is grown in greenhouses at Punjab, Karnataka and Maharashtra. They are also grown in some areas of Gujarat, Kerala, Goa, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal, but in very limited scale, though India is the top producer of pungent peppers. Purple colored Shimla Mirch variety is very famous in India. These peppers look like brinjal plants and are very easy to grow in pots and containers, even in terrace gardens. As an ornamental fruiting plant, capsicum is mostly preferred by plant lovers all over the world. Small plants bearing colorful fruits smiling from beautiful flower pots and containers in balconies and verandas gives a very fascinating look, as you can see from the pictures given in this video. Now let us see the use of these beautiful lovely fruits. As I have said before, bell peppers are edible and their mere presence can altogether change and make ordinary food special. Shapely cut colorful bell pepper pieces are very commonly used in different garden salads and toppings of pizzas to make them more tasty, attractive and aromatic. Various types of stuffed peppers are also prepared by using hollowed or halved bell peppers. Dried and powdered capsicum fruits play a very crucial role in various commercially prepared pepperoni sausage, meat stew and chili con carne. Paprika sauce made from dried and well-ground bell peppers and its different cultivars are world's most favorite for cooking of very delicious dishes and other cuisines. Capsicum and variety pepper is very widely used to make pickles. Fresh paprika spice is also used in rubs and marinades and as a garnish in egg and fish curries. The increased demand of paprika is so huge that it is now produced in large quantities by America, Mexico, Spain, Argentina, Serbia, China and Netherlands. If we think that capsicum is only a spice used for taste and aroma, then we are mistaken, as capsicum is a source of many vitamins and minerals. Capsicum contains mostly water. It also has carbohydrates, protein and some fat. Most of the carbohydrates are sugar in glucose and fructose, which make bell pepper sweeter. These fruits also contain very high vitamin C, which is essential for our health. Other vitamins include vitamin K1, vitamin E, vitamin A, beta-carotene, potassium, folate and fiber. As I have said earlier, these fruits, especially the red variety fruits, are very good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, and these can provide us protection against heart problems and cancer. Now let us understand the method of propagating and growing these fruiting plants. Growing new bell pepper plant is very easy. Fresh and healthy seeds collected from well-ripe, good quality fruits is ideal for propagation. Moist soil mixed with potting mix is excellent for planting seeds. Seeds can be scattered over soil mixed surface and cover them with a light layer of potting mix. Preferred growing conditions for bell pepper include moist soil and moderate temperature ranging from 21 to 29 degrees Celsius. If the climatic conditions are favorable, most pepper seeds start germinating in 1 to 3 weeks' time. It is very important to keep in mind that bell pepper plants are very sensitive to cold and extreme weather conditions. In fact, extreme winter can be harmful for its survival. Keeping the plant in a location with full sunlight exposure for about 6 to 8 hours every day can be helpful for these plants to attain healthy growth. Watering the plant once or twice a week in hot weather conditions and topsoil mulching to avoid loss of moisture during summer can be helpful. Feeding the plant can boost up the growth and flourish well, but it would be a smart idea to get the soil quality tested first to know the pH level and other factors before feeding the plants. Use of nitrogen can stimulate the growth of strong stem, branches and foliage big enough to support fruits. Feeding the plants with limited quantities of dolomite, lime or gypsum can result in better growth and yielding. Now about flowering. Mostly bell pepper plants bear white self-pollinating flowers, so the help of bees or buzzing bees are needed for better pollination. Some bell pepper plants bear purple-colored flowers and produce purple-colored fruits. Though bell pepper plants generally can tolerate warmness, extremely high temperature can be harmful as pollen loses its viability and much less flowers get converted into fruits. A healthy bell pepper plant generally takes 60 to 90 days to bear fruits. Now let us see the details about harvesting. Once these bell pepper plants are well matured, they can be harvested by simply cutting them from the plants. The fruits, however, left on the plants and allowed to ripen naturally are found more sweeter than those harvested and kept for ripening. Harvested fruits can be cleaned and packed in airtight containers for storing in refrigerators. Capsicum lovers sometimes freeze these fruits and keep safe for future use. Another way to preserve them is by drying. In this process, bell peppers are well cleaned and dried or cut into small pieces before they are steamed for about 10 minutes. These steamed pepper pieces are then dried well in an oven. When properly dried, they are packed in airtight containers and kept in refrigerators for future use. If these fruits are kept in the room temperature of about 78 degrees Celsius, they can remain intact for a period of 2 weeks. Many people express doubts about pruning bell pepper plants. Pruning the plants after harvesting is necessary. In many countries, pruning is done before arrival of winter season. Cutting all dried branches and unwanted growths can help the plant to focus all its energies to speed up the ripening process of remaining fruits left on the plant. This will also keep the plant fit for the next flowering season. If we take proper care, these little plants can gift us with bright and colorful bell pepper fruits for 2 to 3 years. A wise plant lover always grows new plants before the mother plant completes its life cycle for continuity of harvesting. Now let us see the problems in growing these lovely plants. Bell pepper plants have too many enemies. Squirrels and birds are regular visitors of these fruiting plants to enjoy the fruits. Besides this, there are aphids, spider mites, whitefly thrips, loopers and caterpillars and lygus bugs that attack both plants and fruits. Care therefore must be taken to protect these sweet fruiting plants from the pests and other disease. Use of effective and recommended insecticides and regular observation of plants can to a great extent save plants from pests and other disease. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share Saupernika Store channel. We at Saupernika Store Home Garden grow exotic and rare plants for meeting the needs of plant lovers. I will be back with details of another plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.